What's up, everybody? So I'm back at it again, headed out to the normal meetup spot. If you guys are in Tulsa and you want to ride with people and you always complain about having nobody to ride with, come out to the 41st and Memorial Quick Trip right there on the corner. Because apparently that is the universal Tulsa meetup spot. It's every single day. Every single day there are people there that are ready to ride. It's beautiful out here. Oh man. The heat and the humidity backed off a little bit, so it feels pretty nice right now. I need to get new grips. Cycle Gear and Synergy are both closed though. My throttle grip on the end is loose. It's really loose. When I twist the throttle, I can feel the grip moving rather than the throttle moving, and that's no good. So my gas light's on. Check this out. My gas light's on, but the needle is above half a tank. Tell me how that makes sense, Harley. Oh, there's an American flag car right there. That's pretty cool. I'm not a fan of Mustangs, but I do really like that blue that you can get on Mustangs. Hi everybody, this is the part where my GoPro corrupted some footage and I lost a couple hours between this point and the point that I went to a quick trip and met up with some guys and hopped on the highway. So we're gonna fast forward to me being on the highway. Where did everybody go? Those two guys took off and the guy that was next to me is like, oh, there he is. He's just way back there. Nice. I like that. If that Mustang wants to race, they're sadly mistaken, because I can't race fucking anything on the highway. Oh, there he is. What the fuck? Where'd you go, bud? Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I guess they're good. There they are. I wonder why they took off. Oh, his headlights aren't on. Yeah, damn, I can barely even see him and he's like right behind me. Tulsa firefighters getting themselves some quick trip. Hell yeah, brother. You want to be on video? Yeah. You want to shout out anybody? Nope. Take all the glory for yourself? I like it. Yeah, we're going to go to downtown.
Are y'all staying down there?
We're going to go up into a parking garage. They're supposed to be setting off fireworks.
Are they?
Mm-hmm.
What, for the gay pride?
It was for a game or something. Fireworks are fireworks, whether they're gay or not.
Sir, I'm sorry, this is an illegal modification. I'm going to have to go ahead and write you a ticket for that.
Go ahead. That's cool.
That's cool. Hell yeah.
Fireworks! They're going off! Damn! I hope it's not almost over. Damn, it's smoky from all them fireworks. big groups split off. So we're just gonna snake our way through downtown, go hit Brookside, head back to that Quick Trip. If anybody's still over there, I'm tired. So tired. Oh, the gates are open. Let's go see what's going on over here. There've been like lights, police lights, crowds, and all that shit over here the entire time we were up there. Can we go through? I guess we can go through. Dang, look at these limos. Oh yeah, I think there's also a George Strait concert tonight. Or at least there was, or there is right now, I don't know. I don't go to a whole lot of concerts, so I don't know the times, the normal times for concert stuff, but it was a busy day for Tulsa. George Strait concert, gay pride parade. Yeah, there are sheriffs everywhere. Hello, hello. We can go through, right? Because you're kind of parked on the lane, but... Hello, 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 hello. Oh my god, that guy is wasted. Bro, just hold on to the pole. You just stumbled into the street, dude. You are so wasted. Don't. He's looking for the button. He's looking for the crosswalk button and he can't find it. Poor fella. You ever been so piss drunk that you can't find the crosswalk button? Well guys, I don't think my camera has much battery left, so I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.